Hello, this is David with Golden Slumbr, and I'm here to show you how to become familiar with your Golden Slumbr app. The first step is to make sure you have the Golden Slumbr app installed on your mobile device. Golden Slumbr works on both Android and iOS devices like phones and tablets. If you don't already have the app installed, go to your Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS, search for Golden Slumbr, follow the prompts to download and install the app. In this video, you will see me navigating through the app on my Android phone. If you're using another device, such as an iPhone, the process will be much the same. Once you've installed and opened the app, you will need to create an account. To do so, click on the word Register under the Login button. On this page, you will enter your email address, create a password, confirm the password, and enter your name. Your password needs to contain a capital letter, a small case letter, a special character, and be at least 8 characters long. You can also add numbers to your password. Once you have filled out all 4 fields, click on the Register button. An email with a verification code will immediately be sent to the email address you provided. Enter the code on this page and click Done. If you don't receive the code after a few minutes, click on Resend Code. Now that we have verified your account, go ahead and log in with the email address and password you created. The first page you will get to is the notifications page, signified by the small clock icon in the lower left of the page. On this page, you can set a notification to remind you to use Golden Slumbr at a specific time each day. You will need to give the app permission to send you notifications for this feature to work. Click Allow to give permissions. Now let's set a reminder. Let's go with 9 a.m. and click OK. I will also rate my last night's sleep. I'll give it 4 stars. Then click Save. Tracking your sleep in this way helps you see how you're doing over time. You may choose to make adjustments in time, intensity, and color of your Golden Slumbr lamp based on your rating information. And here's an important tip. If you tend to get sleepy in the morning, use the light in the mid-afternoon. If you tend to stay up late, use the light within a couple hours of waking in the morning. But don't use the light after dark. The next icon on the bottom of the page is the Bluetooth icon. You will need to enable Bluetooth capabilities of the app in order to customize its features. When you see this screen, click While using the app, then click Allow for the app to connect to your Golden Slumbr light. The app should have already located the light. If so, you will see the Connect button in the upper right. If not, click on Start Scan. I'll click on Connect. You only have to do this part once. After that, the Bluetooth icon will take you directly to the Bluetooth light control page. On this page, you'll be able to customize your Golden Slumbr experience using your mobile device. You can turn the light on or off, set the timer to turn off the light once it's been turned on, control the intensity of the light as well as the light's temperature, also known as color. Using your mobile device makes everything easier. The next icon on the bottom of the page looks like a clipboard and takes you to the Sleep Log page. This is the page that shows you how you've been sleeping based on your daily sleep rating. Earlier in this video, I rated my night's sleep as a 4, and you can see that rating here. It's important that you rate your sleep on a daily basis. The last icon on the bottom right-hand side of the page looks like a Head and Shoulders. Click on this icon and it takes you to the Logout page. Click on Logout and it ends your Golden Slumbr session. That's all there is to it. It's a simple app that brings you a lot of value and a better night's sleep. Thank you for using Golden Slumbr.